I have a list of things that are very important for all of you, especially if you're a new mom or if you are a mom to be. These are online groups and online forums that have helped me a lot. Hi, this is RGB and you're watching RGB Love, where I am the crazy Indian mother. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, please click that subscribe button because I'm making videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. The first online resource that has helped me enormously is babycenter.com. If you are pregnant or if you're a new mom, I'm pretty sure you already know this and I don't need to tell you, because Baby Center is like a huge forum and almost everybody knows about it. So if you're pregnant or if you're a mom to be, Baby Center is the place to be. Make sure you join babycenter.in, that's the Baby Center India and Baby Center America. I found babycenter.com, which is the American one, quite useful, especially in terms of the birth groups. So there are different birth groups on Baby Center. So if you are say due December 2016, then you can join the birth group December 2016, which would have everybody who is due in December 2016. So there will be people who have probably the same due date as you or due date around you, and they would, you could actually relate to them. Like, even if you know people who are pregnant, but if they're like 3 months ahead of you or a month behind you or a month ahead of you, there'll be a lot of difference between what you are going through and what they are going through. So I feel birth groups that ways are brilliant. You can join the Indian birth group in Baby Center India, and you can also join the American birth group in babycenter.com. I say both because the Indian forum kind of picked up by when our dates were kind of nearing. So it was I was in December 2015, and I think it picked around August. The group kind of started picking up, but the American group was like active from like day one. Like, it was like people found out they're pregnant and they got on Baby Center. It was like that. And a lot of information that I have and a lot of things that I have found out is from the birth centers. So Baby Center as a website has a lot of information about pregnancy, but it's like a textbook. But the birth groups actually talk a lot about what's going on with each other. So if you if you have free time, you can do this, because it does make you you need time for all of this because it's a huge group and you get addicted to it really fast. Anyways, the birth groups will give you insights into things. So Baby Center will tell you your uterus might twitch during pregnancy, but birth centers will tell you your uterus will twitch from the right side exactly near your belly button. That is the insight you'll get from birthing groups. So I highly recommend you join the birthing group that you belong in, and obviously join the Indian one as well, because I found that initially the American one was relatable to me because the first 2 trimesters of almost every single woman in the world is same. The last trimester I felt I could relate more to my Indian counterparts, because first of all we have God Bharai going on, and we have a lot of Indian cultural things going on, like you can't buy this and you can't buy that and you can't do this and you can't do that. A lot of you need another Indian person to understand what's happening with your family, with your in-laws, with people around you. So I thought in the 3rd trimester I preferred Baby Center India, but in the first 2 trimester I definitely preferred the birth centers in Baby Center America. Now for the new mom, these are super important. These are groups that I spend all my day on, okay? Literally, I never used to do Facebook. I'm that one person who hates Facebook, okay? I could only go on Facebook to just say hi, hello to some people, wish people happy birthday, and that's it. I literally hate Facebook nowadays. But these groups have me checking Facebook every single hour, anytime I have free time, I'm checking up these groups. These are lifelines for me right now. So what are these groups? I'm sure you've heard the saying that it takes a village to grow up a child, brought up a child, bring up a child. बच्चा बड़ा करने के लिए गाँव चाहिए होता है. Okay, I don't remember what the saying is in English. So there's this group called The Village on Facebook, which has a huge community of Indian mothers it's a closed group, so whatever you write on that, whatever you post on that, only members of the group can see. The group is also highly moderated. The admins are very very good, so there's no altu faltu stuff happening. It's not like you join the, you know what happens when you join Facebook groups, half the group is just filled with people selling stuff. It's nothing like that. It's a closed group, so they're just mothers talking about mother stuff, so you can talk about anything, literally you can talk about anything there. And it's a brilliant group, and if you're a new mom, if you're a mom, or if you're a mom to be, I highly recommend you join that group, because you're going to find a lot of people who are like-minded. You're going to find a lot of information. They also have like an anonymous post stuff going on as well, so even if you have like some things in life that's going on and you don't want to reveal your identity, you can have like an anonymous post and you can get honest opinions. It's a brilliant group. I highly recommend any new mom to join it. Also, a few of the sister groups that the village has is breastfeeding support for Indian moms and breastfeeding support for mom of multiples in India. So these are very important groups if you are planning to breastfeed your child. I hope you are planning to breastfeed your child, because that's the best thing you can do for your child. So if you are, and if you have any query, any doubts, any doubts at all, in fact, you can join this group. These groups are great. They'll help you out. There's also a group called Moms Working Outside the House India, which is basically for moms who work outside the house. If you're working and you're worried, how will I manage everything? How will I leave my child and go to work? How will I, if you want to continue breastfeeding, how will that work out when you join back work? This is a group of ladies which work outside home. A lot of them breastfeed, a lot of them pump and feed, so it's basically breastfeed only. And it's a brilliant group to get information from and help from and support from. I think the one thing moms need, especially new moms need more than anything, is support. Then we have Cloth Diapering India. A lot of you have been asking me to do a video on cloth diapering. Honestly, as much as I would want to go viral and have a lot of views, because there is actually no cloth diapering basics India video, I do not know a lot about cloth diapering. I will do a video about what I know of cloth diapering, but if you want to really want details, because I don't do cloth diapering a lot, it's like once in a blue moon for me. If you want details, then join the group called Cloth Diapering India. It has almost every possible information you could ask for. It has the group consists of all other mothers who are doing cloth diapering, so they can help you out. Then we have Baby Wearing. Baby Wearing India is a group which talks about baby wearing. Obviously. Yeah, I think, what else can I tell you? Yeah, it tells you about baby wearing. Now, the two groups which are highly important for you if your child is about to be 6 months old or above 6 months old. One is Baby-Led Weaning India, which is a brilliant group if you want to start baby-led weaning from 6 months onwards. And the other is Traditional Weaning India, which obviously talks about traditional weaning. Both these groups are very good, and yeah, you should join them. I don't know what else to tell you about these groups, but the whole point of this video was, all of these groups and their links are going to be in my description box below. The point of this video was that if you're a new mom, you cannot do it alone. If you're going to think, no, I'll do everything on my own, you won't be able to do everything on your own. It's not possible. You need a support system, and I have found all of these groups as a brilliant support system. They are great when I want to ask a query. They are great when I just want a time pass. And they are great because they're not judgmental. So they will tell you what they think very honestly, but they're not judgmental. They will tell you if you're doing something wrong, but not in a judgmental way, in just a way of saying that this is wrong. That's it. They won't judge you for it. So I think that's very important. The one thing that I love about all of these groups are that they're all closed groups. So if I have a query, or if I think that I don't want such thing to be known by my relatives or by my other Facebook friends, or my relatives don't find out about my queries, because it's a closed group and they can't really read anything on the group unless they are part of the group. And if I know that I have relatives in the group, or if I have friends in the group and I'm not comfortable sharing my stuff, then I always have an option of asking the admin to post anonymous for me. So that is another brilliant feature that they have. And again, they're highly moderated. All of them are highly moderated. So you have to send a request, and Babylite Beaning is extremely moderated. So you have to send a request, and if the admin approves, then you get approved. If you try to put on promotional stuff in there, or if you try to sell stuff in there, they kick you out. If you try to do, like, if you try to comment stuff that is not good, or if you try to harass other members, they kick you out. So it's like a very close-knit family, which you know, if you try to misbehave, you do get kicked out of it. Or you don't get kicked out of families. But the thing is, I find this very useful, and I think that every new mom or any mom to be should be part of these groups. I hope you found all of this information useful. I really wanted to make this video for you. I don't even care if this video gets views, even if it gets like 1 view and helps one person out. More than happy, because like I truly believe that you should be part of these groups if you are a new mom, because they've helped me out a lot. If you found the information useful, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to click that subscribe button, because I make new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Yes, आ जाओ. रो रहे बस होने वाला. Kuchi, I love you. I love you, Chucha baby.